How much does plants eat? Now I know that question might be strange to some because don't plants just need water and sunlight? And no, they need a lot more than that. They need food as well. And some plants need more food than others. This is one of the lessons that we teach our students. We have this chart that categorizes the plants based on how much they eat, whether they are a light luncher, a medium muncher, or a heavy hogger. So before we explain which plants should go where, we let the students first figure out where they think the plants should go. And you'll get some interesting answers, like for example, them putting pumpkin by heavy hoggers because they feel that the size of the vegetable is so big that it must be a heavy eater. Or they'll say that lettuce is a light eater, and you'll ask them why, and then they'll say because if you eat lettuce, it doesn't make you full. Now, pumpkin is a heavy eater, but not because of the reasons that the kids mentioned. Now, of course, the kids will also make a lot of mistakes, but that is the point. We want the kids to make mistakes because it is a lot easier for them to retain the information that we're trying to teach them when we correct their mistakes or they correct their own mistakes, rather than us just feeding them information. We teach them that the more energy the plant uses to grow, the more food that they will eat. For example, root vegetables don't require a lot of energy to get to their food because their food is already in ground and the vegetables grow in ground. So vegetables like potatoes, beetroot and carrots, they are light feeders. And the plants that grow a fruit like tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, pumpkin, those are heavy feeders because the plant uses a lot more energy getting the food from the soil and letting it travel through the stems of the plant all the way to the fruit. It burns a lot more energy, therefore needing a lot more food. And then your medium feeders will be your leafy greens like lettuce and spinach. And there are exceptions to the rules, like for example, cabbage will be a heavy eater, and beans, even though it's considered a fruiting vegetable, that will be a medium feeder. So now you know how much plants eat, and you also got to look into the methodology of how we do things here at SAIE.